Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to remove the hidden junk files and particularly in the smartphone of Vivo Y20s. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you find your phone kind of run off the memory or run off the storage, so you can try to do the scanning with this iManager, and you can continue to click this space cleanup and kindly wait for this iManager to detect it about the hidden junk files over here. And after that you can clean up all and kindly wait for the removal. And after this one, what if I told you that you can also find the another junk file in another tool, guys? Yes guys, beside this iManager, you can also do the scanning, not only remove the viruses but also removing the junk file that cannot be scanned or cannot be found by this iManager, guys. So the step you can do is you can exit from this iManager, and after that you can start to visit this app over here, which is the app that you have not or you don't ever installed before, and you can start to click one of them without clicking the get button over here. Just pick one, and after that you can continue to click backspace over here or back, and watch out, you can click this close again. Perfect. And after that you can start to click manage down here, and this is the tool that will help us to detect the another junk file that cannot be found with this iManager before, guys. And kindly wait for this junk file be found and also being scanned, and you will see that another junk file have the 166 megabytes, and you can start to clean up again. And after that you have already removed the hidden junk files. Isn't that easy, right? So don't forget to try this trick, guys, and I hope this trick also work for you and also help you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.